Hey and welcome to Alphon. I'm now going to show you a beginner-friendly trading strategy for pocket option. I'm at the beach now, so I'm not at my usual setup. I'm using a tablet, so that's why don't look so good, but it's the best we can do. So because the cameras over there get a little strange and I have air over here, so it's super ugly background and everything, but that's the best we can do. So now we can see we have in a beautiful sell area, so we go in with a sell there. Let's see, I did push, I think. I don't, there we can see the open position. Yes sir. Now we just need to wait for more 15 seconds. If I lose this one, I will go in a little more. Let's take 250. Let's see. 2, 1, and we go in there. Now wait again. Always make a little room so you have a little space for going in the double. I always do that. So now we just need to wait more 15 seconds. If I lose, let's take a little more. Let's take a 550 trade. Now let's see, 4, 3, 2, we take it there. Now let's see, now we need to wait a little again. If we lose that one, I will change it to 1200 to get a little boost in the end. A win will come now, I think. Let's see. Looks like we don't need to do that. So there we have it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. So we need that basically 3 tries. So you can see we spent a total of let me see, 5, 6, 7, 870, and we made 1056. I'm not going to calculate that, but it's a good profit. I probably put it in the description how much profit we made. So there you have it. We made profit in this video also. It's so easy that I just spend a few minutes and I make money and I can just relax the rest of the day. How cool is that? You can too. You can link below the video if you want to get started today. Also, if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra, so take advantage. If you have an account from before, like I always said, close down that account, withdraw money first, of course, reopen with a new email, and you can get started and you will get 50% on that money. So how cool is that? So with that, have an amazing day, and I see you on the next.